folks, welcome back to another episode of Johnny's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken Alfredo stuffed cheesy garlic bread. To make this, you're going to need the burrito size tortillas. We'll need our garlic butter, Philadelphia cream cheese, our pre-cooked chicken, bacon, and spinach, as well as the mozzarella cheese and the Alfredo sauce. We're going to put our tortilla in the bottom here. And we're going to grab the cream cheese. We're going to spread it around. Just about got it. Try to get it over the whole thing here. All right. So we got that. So now we're going to add a little Alfredo sauce. So grab some chicken. All right, got a little spinach. Some mozzarella cheese. All right, so that's our first layer. So next we're gonna grab another tortilla, we're gonna put it over the top. And we're gonna grab some Alfredo sauce. We'll grab some bacon. Spread it around a little bit. And we'll grab some more mozzarella cheese. And finally, we're going to take some garlic butter. We're going to pour a little garlic butter over the top. Try to get as much as you can, so it kind of coats it everywhere. And then finally, we're going to put it in the oven at 405 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, guys, after 20 minutes in the oven, here we are. So we're going to go ahead and slice this bad boy up and see how it tastes. So let's grab a little pizza roller here. See if I can cut it like they do the crazy breads at the pizza places. Got this piece here. I'm gonna cut little pieces off so that way I can handle it. Doesn't fall everywhere. Let's see how this tastes. That's really good, guys. Really good. Please comment below. Let us know what you guys think. Once again, this is John with Johnny's Kitchen, guys.